Hey guys, what's up? MiataMods here. In this video I'm picking up my new daily. So if you're interested to see what kind of car I got, stay tuned. So this video will be a vlog, and it's been a while since I've made a vlog. I guess it's maybe been 3 years. But this day is very special. So I figured, why not make a vlog of it, right? So a little backstory for you guys. My girlfriend and I, we met at work, and we worked together for a couple of years, and that was really convenient because every time my car broke down, and it will eventually do that once in a while because it's an old rusty shitbox, she knows. I always have the option to carpool with her because she works at the same job, at the same location, so I can just join her and leave my car at home. But she's got a new job, so my carpooling friend is no more.
So finally he gets a new car.
Yeah, a better one, a newer one. Hopefully it's more reliable. It is more reliable.
And it got ass warming. Ass heating.
Seat heating?
What heating?
Heated seats.
Oh.
They call it heated seats. But yeah, that's very nice as well. So for my new daily, I had a few things in mind. One, it needs to be bigger than the car I have right now. It needs to have a back seat, so I have more room in the car.
For the puppy?
The car needs to be an automatic because that makes driving it more comfortable, and I have a busy job, and my drive from work and to work, I just need the car to be, you know, relaxing. And I know what you guys are thinking, but bruh, an automatic is so lame. I know, but an automatic is just nice to drive when you're in traffic, okay? Can't argue with that. So heated seats, that's also an option. I really want it. Butt warmers.
Ass heating.
Ass heating. Sorry for the rain noise, by the way. The weather is awful. And the car needs to have more than 4 cylinders. And that sounds a bit strange for, I guess, my American viewers, mostly. But here in the Netherlands, I guess the most common cars only have 4, and a lot have only 3 cylinders, just like the car of my girlfriend, and that's not bad. You know, it's lesser fuel consumption and it's better for the environment, blah blah blah. Don't get me wrong, the MX-5 or Miata with 4 cylinders, it can sound pretty decent, especially with a turbo or supercharger, but there's nothing better than the sound of more than 4 cylinders. You know, a V6, straight 6, V8, whatever. And here in the Netherlands, it's not common to have more than 3 or 4 cylinders. I also wanted to be from a Japanese manufacturer, of course. So yeah, those were the things I was looking for a new daily. And I think I've been looking for one for a year now. Now I found the one I was looking for. Well, it was in another country, Germany, which is right next to my country. And normally I would go on a road trip and check the car out, but it was a 8.5 or 9.5 hour drive. So that was a bit much, and also due to the COVID crisis, crossing the borders is pretty hard. So a good friend of mine, Wesley, he knows a guy, and he imports cars, normally from the UK, but he also does Germany and other countries. And I did the negotiating with the German guy. So when we came to an agreement, I messaged the guy, the friend of Wes, and then he went and picked up the car. So now the car is in the Netherlands, it's ready for pickup, so that's where we're heading right now.
I'm really excited. finally no schroothoop.
She calls my car the schroothoop, which roughly translates to rust bucket.
It's a scary car.
So we're just having a quick spin in this Subaru with my buddy Wes.
Precies zien als je naar binnen kijkt.
Such a good boy.
Yay.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Mooi garage.
I have to mute this clip because of the background music, so that gives me a moment to talk about the company that helped me import the car. The company is called Auto Carolus, and no, this video is not sponsored by them and they didn't give me a discount. I just had such a great experience with them that I can recommend them to everybody. So if any of you are looking for a company to import a car, give them a call. Enjoy the next clips, and later on in this video I will talk a bit more about the car itself.
Woep, woep. Het rijdt wel lekker. Ik hou deze wel.
Well, what do you think?
It's really nice.
Right, we're on our way home and now I can talk to you guys a little bit more about this car. It's a Lexus ES250 F Sport. It has a V6 engine and a lot of options that I was looking for. You know, it's automatic, has a back seat, so that's bigger than the Miata I have right now, or MX-5. It has heated seats, well, a lot more navigation, a lot more options, but there are a couple of cool car gimmicks that I would like to mention, which I find really nice. So when you start the car, the gauges of the car do a sweep, so they go from 0 to max and back, which is a really nice touch. When you floor it and the revs are increasing to right around 5,000, the gauge turns orange, and when you go all the way up to red line, it turns red. So that's also a really nice touch that I really like. I also like the fact that the car has been lowered already, so it's a bit lower, a couple of centimeters lower than stock. I think 1 inch or a couple of centimeters. The previous owner also changed the brake discs on the front, so there are now EBC brake discs that are slotted or grooved. I'm not sure. Whatever, they look sporty, so that's also the thing I like about this car. It also has a trunk spoiler. It's not too big, but it really gives it a nice sporty character, which complements the rest of the car. Next we have some carbon on the center console and near the door handles, and I'm not really sure if it is real carbon, but it looks good. I like it. I also really like the seats. They're really comfy, but because of the sidewalls, it really gives a sporty vibe as well, and they look great. They have some leather on the side and Alcantara in the center, so yeah, looks really good. Another nice touch are the pedals on the steering wheel. I can use my shift knob to shift up or down if I want to, although it's an automatic, but I could also use the pads on the steering wheel, and it's a really nice touch, which gives it also a sporty kind of look, and I really like that. Now the last thing I want to talk about is the exhaust. Now this car has a V6, so with the right exhaust it can sound really good, but now it has the stock exhaust. And now it sounds a bit meh. But luckily I bought this car with a aftermarket exhaust, which is in the back. So in the near future I will be installing that exhaust system, and then I will find out how this car can actually sound with that beautiful V6 in the engine bay. Now I'm really wondering if you guys would like to see a video on that as well. I know this is MiataMods, so it will be more like Lexus mods, but I think it would be an interesting video, and I have more plans with this car. So can you guys comment in the comment section if you would like to see some videos about this car, some how-to videos on what I do to the car, or should I stick with MiataMods videos or Miata videos? If you could let me know in the comment section below, I would really appreciate it. Thanks in advance for commenting, guys. She's fast. Alright, so that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog about getting my new daily. Let me know what you think of the car. I'm really happy with it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Tot de volgende keer. I need a new beard. Wat zit je nou te cringen? Stop cringing on my video.
Oh, geintje.
Oh my... Don't kill me.
Flankgas.
No, ik geef vol gas.